In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious caramel bread popcorn recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need cubed bread, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of butter, and 1 tablespoon of water. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in our cubed bread and we're going to toast until golden brown. Transfer into a glass bowl. In the same pan over heat, we're going to add in the water and the sugar and mix until the sugar is completely dissolved. Once the sugar is dissolved, we're going to add in the butter. Cook until it starts to turn a light brown color. Once light brown, we're going to slowly add in the milk. Once our caramel starts to become translucent, we're going to add in our bread pieces. Our caramel bread popcorn is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.